Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor. Now, there are those who say this, and it's simply the flesh.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a long time and I'm glad to be back. Okay, so today we'll be preparing porridge yam with spinach. Okay, already I'm cutting the yam, and this moment I'm dragging the tripod with my keys. Okay, so I won't be showing the full video on how I cut the yam. I guess you all know how to cut yam now. It's so easy. Okay. So I had to pause the filming and just cut the yam. That way I keep my tripod aside so my kids will not spoil it for me. So I'm using spinach, as you can see. Okay, that's spinach leaf. So I will wash it thoroughly with water and salt. I don't know if you use salt to wash your vegetables. I like to use salt to wash mine. Okay, to get every germs in it. So after washing it, I start to cut it. I will cut all the vegetables and I will set it aside. This is how I like to chop my vegetables. Okay, not too tiny, not too big. You can cut yours the way you like. Okay, I want to say a big shout out to my newest subscribers. I'm glad to have you here. You're all welcome. To my returning OGs, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for the engagement, the likes and comments. I so much appreciate it, and may God bless you all. And if this is your first time of coming across my video on my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscribe button. It's all free, doesn't cost anything. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. You can also join my membership, guys, with a little token. Doesn't cost much. Okay, so I'm done cutting the spinach. I'll now set it aside. I'll be using 2 red bell peppers. As you can see, I've washed it properly. So I'll be adding it in the blender. I added ginger and garlic, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I blended it and set it aside. So in a pot, I added red oil. In a tripod, I added red oil and then chopped onion. Okay, I will stir well to combine. It's for the onion to fry for some seconds. Okay, I will then go ahead to add the blended peppers. Of course, I blended it off camera. Okay, so I'll add it inside the pot and then stir to fry. I fry it for some seconds and then cover it to continue cooking. Okay, let me allow you guys to watch it. Okay, the noise is not let me to do it. I wanted to use voice record, but I won't have the time because of my case.